Have you ever wondered how much money you can actually make donating plasma? Well, I'm going to be real with you. It's definitely not life-changing, but it could put an extra $400 a month in your pocket. In this video, I will share with you today exactly what I get paid, the pros and the cons, and if this side hustle is right for you. So I go to Grifols in Pennsylvania, and right now they're paying $50 for your first time that you go for the week and $65 for the second time you go within the week. That's $115 if you go twice in a week. So that equals $460 for the month. Some centers will pay even more for brand new donors. Right now, my center is paying $150 for brand new donors if you go twice in a week. It takes me about an hour each day. So here's what most people don't tell you about plasma money. It is definitely not guaranteed. You can get turned away for low protein, low iron, high blood pressure, or even dehydration. That's why I never budget around plasma money. You're just not guaranteed it. And if I do get it, I treat it like a bonus. And I'll put that extra money towards groceries or fun play money or right into my savings account. When you go your first time, you're going to check in at the front desk with your driver's license and your social security card. You're going to answer a whole bunch of health questions, and they are going to check your protein levels, your iron levels, and your blood pressure. Once you get through all the questions, which may take a while, you'll then get sent back to a donation bed, where that is where they will place the needle in your arm. They draw the blood out, separate the blood from the protein, and put the blood back in your body. The whole process takes me about an hour start to finish, but it may take you a little bit longer. It's not a painful procedure, but you might get a little pinch or it might hurt for a little bit, but it doesn't last long at all. But you might feel tired afterwards, so make sure you eat and hydrate before and after. You may get bruising on your arm after your donation process, and that's usually not a big deal. But if your bruise is big next time you go to donate, just be aware they may not let you donate until it heals up. For me, it happens occasionally, but it does happen. Pros of donating plasma are extra side money, possibly up to $460 in a month. Flexible schedule. You can go twice a week, or you could go once a week if you want. It's your schedule. And it helps people. Plasma is used in life-saving treatments. So let's talk about the cons of donating plasma. First one is, it's not guaranteed. You could be turned away. It is a time commitment. It will take an hour or more of your time. For me, it takes an hour. For my husband, it probably takes about an hour and a half. You may get occasional bruising and tired feeling. Some centers even run promotions like raffles, drawings, or referral bonuses. I've even seen giveaways for TVs, air conditioners, and football games. So is plasma donation worth it? I feel it is. As long as you don't depend on that money and you think of it more as a bonus, I think you'll be good. I think it's a great side hustle if you're healthy, have the time, and don't mind the process. But it's definitely not a replacement for steady income. So my question to you is, would you ever consider donating plasma for extra cash? Let me know in the comments below. And please take a minute to hit that subscribe button.